Online test here refers to quizzes, exams, anything that resembles a test. So this walkthrough will help you with the way that your weekly quiz works, as well as your final exam. I mean, we're not going to give you the answers, you probably should have studied, but we will help you with getting to a test, and then the specifics of how tests work in Populi. To find a test, go to My Courses and click the title of the course. This is the course dashboard. If your instructor has made a test available to you and it's due within 7 days, there will be an alert for it right here. You can also click the Tests view to see any published tests. Only tests that are currently available will be marked Take Now. Also, instructors can place tests within lessons. You can only access those tests from within the lesson listed here. We're going to really quickly go through some of the important technical aspects of the way that tests are managed in Populi. First, availability trumps time limit. So let's say you start a test with a 15-minute time limit, but the availability window ends in 10 minutes. That means you only have 10 minutes to complete the test. Second, if you run out of time, the unanswered questions are marked wrong. This is the case if you meet the test's time limit or if the availability window ends. Third, if you're accidentally logged out while you're taking a test, you can resume the test where you left off with any unused time remaining. Just log back in and click the handy alert on your homepage to return to the test. You'll be surprised to hear that you can only do this before the availability window ends. Fourth, your instructor may have allowed for retakes. If retakes are available, taking the test more than once is entirely optional. Now let's jump back into Populi and see what taking a test actually looks like. From the Tests view, we'll click Take Now, and you'll see a page with time limit and retake information if retakes are available. Click Start Test, and now the timer's running. This test incorporates all 7 types of questions available in Populi. Question 1 is multiple choice, pretty straightforward. You can only select a single answer out of these options. Question 2 is short answer, so do just that. Enter a brief response. The third question is put in order. Click and drag these text bars until they're in the correct order. And fourth, multiple answer. Check as many boxes as you need to in order to pick out all the correct answers. Fifth, we have true or false. Is the statement accurate or is it a filthy lie? Pick the appropriate option. Then there's matching. This drop-down contains all of the options to match with the term above it, so just select the one that fits. Lastly, we have essay. Similar to short answer, but these tend to be on the longer side. You may have noticed that as we entered them, each answer was automatically saved. Pretty handy if you're accidentally logged out. However, that doesn't mean the answers have been submitted. Before you submit your test, you can scroll back through and make changes if you like. When you're happy, click Submit Test. Now, what you see on this screen depends on a few different things. If all of the questions on the test are types that can be automatically graded, like multiple choice or put in order, you'll see your grade immediately. But if there are some essay or short answer type questions in the test, you'll see this message. Some questions need to be graded by the professor, so your final score will not be assigned until then. If you're allowed to retake the test, the number of retakes will be listed here. And then as you scroll down, if you're not sure what a certain mark means, just hover over it with your cursor to find out. Later, if you'd like to view your grade for the test or any feedback your instructor may have added, just click the Tests view from the course dashboard. Then click View History next to the title of the test in question. Here, you can see each time you took the test, if there was an option to retake it, and the score for each instance. Then just click one of them, and you'll be able to take a more detailed look. There you go. That's how online tests in Populi work. If you have further questions, visit support.populiweb.com and read the knowledge base article about online tests, or you can just click the link in the description of this video. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications if you'd like to be alerted when new videos like this one are posted. Thanks for watching.